In my last video, I listed those power generating stations in each of the geopolitical zones. Now, in my video for today, I want to go more practical. For example, Egbin, we have 1,320 megawatts. That is what they generate. That is what is designed to generate installed capacity. But generally in the southwest, their installed capacity is 4,000 megawatts. Installed capacity in the southwest, Lagos, Ondo, Ogun, is 4,000 megawatts. But what they generate, or their operational capacity, is between 2,000 to 2,500 megawatts. That is in southwest. Then in south-south, combined installed capacity is 6,000 megawatts. But what they generate, or the operational capacity, is between 2,000 to 2,800 megawatts. That is in southwest combined. Then in north central, their installed capacity is 2,900 megawatts. Now, the operational capacity, what they are generating at the moment, is between 1,500 to 2,200 megawatts. In southeast, the entire southeast, their installed capacity is 1,000 megawatts. Now, the operational capacity, or what they are generating at the moment, is between 400 and 700 megawatts. In northwest Nigeria, present installed capacity is 200 megawatts. Funny enough, I think we have just Kaduna and likely Kano. They are the ones that have generating stations. And the operational capacity is not reliable, not stated. Sometimes they generate 0. Now we go to northeast. Northeast has just one generating station, Mambila power station. In fact, on paper, it is the highest generating, supposed to be the highest generating plant, 13,000 megawatts. But funny enough, its operational capacity, or what it generates presently, is 0 megawatts. Now, why am I doing this video? The reason is to avoid total grid collapse. We can break our grid into mini grids: southwest, south-south, southeast, north central, and the likes like that. So that if one grid collapse, we can backfill the other grid from others. So that is the essence of this video. Now please follow for more, subscribe to my YouTube channel as we find practical solutions to Nigerian power problem. Thank you.